Hello and welcome guys to a new video. Today I'm making a video on iOS 16 and beta 3, which is released just recently, and there is no new modem update in this iOS 16 beta 3, and on top of that, if you look at it, there's not much changes from previous betas, just like mostly stability and bug fixes. But there are a few cool features about iOS 16 which I'll be talking about today, and I'll start with the one I like, and that's if you have any pictures in your album. So let's say I want to copy an object, so all you have to do is just press and hold on the object. As you can see, I can move the object around, and let's say if I want to send it to someone, so I just go there and tap there and let go, and then I can send it. So that's a really cool feature. I thought, that's a good addition. It's just like you're removing a background. It could be any face as well. Let's say this picture, and I can hold it, I can drag it wherever I want. So you can see it's just the object which is moving, and then again I can text it to whoever I want to send it to, just an object without any background. So that's a really cool feature, and previously people used to use the softwares like Photoshop and all that to remove the backgrounds, but now you can remove the background of any object and you can use it wherever you want to use it. And the next feature I'll be talking about is iMessage. Let's say if you send a message to someone, and for example, I send a message to someone, and then I can edit it if I forgot to add something or misspelled or something. So if you hold on to it, just press and hold, and then you can undo send or you can edit. As you can see, the third option, like edit. So if I click on edit, so I can take my cursor wherever I want. Let's say I lied that I love you so much, so I can erase this part, okay, and then I can resend it actually. So what happens is the other party will, you can see here as a, let me just zoom it a bit. You can see it says edited, delivered and edited. Now if the other party does not have iOS 16, let's say they're running 15 or lower, they will see two different messages, one edited one and one the previous one, the horrible one that you sent before that you lied. And so they'll be seeing two messages, but only in case if they have the older iOS version, they did not update yet. But if they both are on 16, so you'll see only one message, and it will just say edited. That's it. And I thought that's a cool feature because Apple did not have that feature in previous iOSs, and it's a good addition to the iOS. And the next thing I'll be talking about, the Apple also upgraded the weather update, the app. It was pretty simple before, but now at least you can go in details, like hourly basis. As you can see, I don't know if you can see when I slide my finger, it's showing the temperature, and hourly basis time, which is changing right here. So that's another thing, it was pending for a long time, but Apple decided to get it done in iOS 16 beta 3, which is a cool feature, I think. And the next thing is lock screen customization. When the screen is locked, if you press and hold and you can see at the bottom it says customize. So in customize, you can add widgets and different things on the main screen. Let's say I want to add this. So temperature, it will show the temperature on main screen. So you can add widgets, and you can also customize the font for your time. Let's say See, whatever you can change the time, and I can change the color as well. So that's also a cool feature. Like I can customize multiple, the wallpapers for lock screen, and I can set them the way I want to set them. And there are a few more features. I'll be making another video because I don't like to make longer videos. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to like it. And I'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching.